When it comes to speeding up websites and delivering content globally, few names stand out more than Cloudflare and Fastly. Both are world-class content delivery networks, or CDNs, built to make websites load faster, safer, and more reliable. But while they share the same goal, they take very different paths to get there. If your main audience is in North America and you are looking for the best CDN for global reach and performance, let's break down how Cloudflare and Fastly compare. Starting with Cloudflare, this platform is far more than just a CDN. It's a full edge network built for performance and security. Cloudflare operates one of the largest networks in the world, with data centers in hundreds of cities. That massive footprint means your content is always served from a location close to your users, especially across the United States and Canada, where Cloudflare's presence is extremely strong. What makes Cloudflare special is how easy it is to set up. You simply change your domain's name servers to Cloudflare, and instantly your traffic is routed through its global network. It automatically caches static assets, optimizes routes, and applies built-in security measures like DDoS protection and web application firewalls. For most sites, the setup takes minutes, and performance gains show up right away. Now let's turn to Fastly. Fastly takes a different approach, focusing on speed, control, and customization. It is the CDN of choice for companies that need fine-tuned performance and real-time control over their content delivery. Fastly's edge network may have fewer locations than Cloudflare, but it is strategically optimized for high-performance data transfer, especially across North America and major global hubs. What makes Fastly stand out is its architecture. It uses modern, software-driven caching built on powerful servers with high throughput and low latency. Developers can instantly purge or update cached content worldwide in seconds, which is a huge advantage for sites that update frequently, like news outlets, e-commerce platforms, or applications that rely on real-time data. So how do you choose between them? If your primary audience is in North America, both perform extremely well. Cloudflare's larger number of edge locations means more coverage for diverse users, while Fastly's highly optimized network delivers incredible consistency and low latency where it matters most. In the end, Cloudflare wins on simplicity, reach, and value, while Fastly wins on speed, control, and customization. For small to mid-sized teams focused on North American performance, Cloudflare offers unmatched convenience and coverage. For engineering-heavy teams that crave total edge control, Fastly delivers raw power and precision. Either way, both are top-tier CDNs that can make your website faster, safer, and more reliable, no matter where your users are.